In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play the Battlegrounds controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use a controller to play the Battlegrounds. This is going to work for every single platform. All that you have to do is make sure that you have a controller connected, and once this is done, you will be able to go ahead and join the Battlegrounds. So I am doing this on PC, but you can also connect a controller on mobile. You can use Bluetooth or a cable, whatever you prefer. I'm going to join a private server for this video, but you can go ahead and join a public one. It is going to work either way. So when you join a server, as long as you already have the controller connected to your PC or mobile, it is going to start working right away. So immediately, I'm able to play with the controller. You will see all of the buttons displayed at the bottom left. So you can use A to jump, as you can see, X to block, you can use Y to dash, and then B to attack. You can lock on by pressing down on the left joystick, and this is what it looks like. You can use your abilities with the left bumper, left trigger, and the right bumper. When you press them, you will be able to go ahead and attack others using these standard buttons. So you can press them again and use them on any enemy that you see. It is simple to do, and you will be able to play on any platform. You just need to make sure that the controller is properly connected. To browse through the menus, use Select, so you will be able to go over here, choose between all of the characters, and basically switch between all of them. If this doesn't work, double check to see if the controller was detected, because as soon as you join the experience, it should start working without any issues. So you will be able to play as any character and use your controller. You might encounter some limitations depending on the specific controller that you are using, but for the most part, it is going to work. So all that you have to do is join the experience with the controller connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the Battlegrounds on controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.